probably not for sale though, hey? Although they do have outdoor stuff. Upstairs. Yeah.
Left.
Yeah.
Hello.
Pardon?
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Oh, it's Joanna.
These are my favorite people.
Oh, look at who it is.
Hello, Johanna.
How have you people been?
Good. How have you been?
Good.
Is it open?
Here. I was looking at that. Isn't that just a beauty?
It's cute, isn't it?
Yeah, thanks a lot. Okay. And I'll see you later. You betcha we'll be here. Yeah. That, yeah. And look at this. My goodness, what a beautiful frame.
Yeah. Yep. Yep.
I love that bench. Isn't that cute? Like for your bathroom or bed.
Yeah, and it's so small that it goes anywhere.
Yeah. You two look good.
Oh, thanks.
So do you.
Taking a picture of people when they go to the bathroom.
Yeah.
So
In the change room.
glad to hear
I think I would do that.
Of course not. Come on. She would.
Yeah, you would.
I'm just kidding. You look wonderful.
Good to see you.
Everybody wants him.
Yeah.
Everybody, I do. It's true. Everybody says, "What is he taken?" I say, "No."
You say no. You say yes. See you.
See you later, Johanna.
Oh, yeah. How are you? Is this your place?
No, it was my sister's.
Oh. Do you want us to take our shoes off?
No, please don't.
okay.
Hi, sweetie.
How's it going?
Good. We have a lot of just different stuff.
Those are just kind of all over.
Yeah.
Look
You're
around.
not kidding.
Yeah, yeah. I'm not kidding. He's taking a picture of me and I have my clothes on. I'm sorry. I'll try and disrobe.
Okay, thank you. That'll really help with the subscribers count.
She's my friend. You're my friend. We got all. You know, this piano's for sale. It's 200 years old.
Wow.
It's
And heavy.
$25. Yeah, see. And you know, like with that solid leather chair, it's for sale.
Okay.
Solid leather.
Yeah, not phony. I'm firm leather.
Yeah.
Today.
Okay.
And everything's for sale.
Okay.
So you're fun. You're really fun.
And is there things? Oh yeah, there's things in other rooms too.
Yeah, sure.
Do you want some help, honey?
I
Is it hard to? Oh, you got it. There you go.
Are you in any of these photos, Johanna?
yeah.
Which little girl here is you?
I'll tell you.
Is there little? Is this you?
No, that's my mother.
That's you.
Me.
Yeah.
That's me.
Is there any little ones of you?
Okay, there's my sister. She's
Yeah.
Ruthie. She's 2 years older than I am. My brother Jesse. He's
And so that's
one.
got to be
And
you.
That's me.
Oh, look at that.
I love that picture. Yes. Aw, and your matching dresses.
I'll get
Did your
you a
mom
real
sew them?
Oh God, no.
Oh.
My mother was a doctor. She bought everything.
Oh yeah. And
That's when I got married to Charlie Wickenheiser.
Wow. Look at your hat. It's amazing.
Is it?
Oh, and you got things in here too.
Yeah. So how did you know? Did you see it in the paper or something, or on TV or something?
The
sale.
Yeah, I was. Where was it now? Could have been paper, and then did you advertise on other like
Yeah.
online?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's probably where I saw
Oh,
it.
that's so sweet. I'll just let you go through this.
Sure.
Look at this.
All kinds of
That's
things.
really old. So much.
Oh my goodness.
Johanna's hilarious.
Hot. The window's open and the heat's running.
Yeah, you're right.
'Cause
The
you can
heat's
hear-
on.
you
The
can
heat's
hear-
on right now and the window's open.
We should,
Well, you better turn the air conditioning on.
yeah. Get everything running. This is the way we came
The
though.
planter out front, that's not for sale, is it?
Everything's for sale here.
What?
Well, there's a planter out in the front of the building.
That's for sale. Everything's
Is
for
it?
sale. Yeah, it's
Oh.
fine.
Yeah, that.
This one here. Is that metal or
Is
plastic?
it metal? Or is it plastic?
Yeah. Heavy.
Oh, it's plastic?
Yeah, it's
Okay.
plastic, yeah.
I think we'll leave it. We
Yeah.
thought maybe it was metal. But if it was
Yeah.
metal, we would have taken it.
Yeah, I love my
It's nice though.
heavy metal like that.
Okay, thanks, Johanna.
See you soon.
Have a good day.